So we're trying to chirp second because it's been like, I tried so many times, but it wasn't chirping second. So we'll try. Okay. It did chirp. It did make a little chirp, but not massive. So maybe today the weather is good, better. So it's chirping better than before. So we'll give another try here. Okay. Didn't chirp. Just made a tire scratching noise. Derrapada. Tires, but didn't chirp. So maybe that road is better. Let's see if we can do a cleaner chirp. I did, okay. I don't know. I don't even know why I'm into this chirping thingy. But that's who I am. I'm used to chirping gear, so. Yeah, it chirped. When I turn the traction control off, the downshift rev match, it turns off. Okay. Here's the chirps, right? That's it. So today I was finally able to chirp, so voila.